Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a full stack YouTube clone kind of a video streaming application directly in browser using React.js, Node.js Express, which will be in the backend. So this is actually the full directory structure. This is the React project and this is the backend of the application which is using Node.js Express. The link is given, you can directly purchase the source code. So this is inside the backend section. We are using SQLite database for storing. You can see this is the database which is storing all the things for us. And for uploading videos, we are using Cloudinary, which is a really cloud-based uh, where you can store your things. It's a very popular platform. So here we are storing all the assets such as videos, images, everything. So let me show you the first of all the demo. It has authentication as well. So we are running this front end on localhost 3000. So first of all, you need to create an account here. So you just put the field first name, last name, username, everything. So here you put the username and the email address and the password. So you click on sign up and you will be automatically sign up right here. So this is some of the videos that I uploaded right here. So the videos will appear something like this. We are using Video.js for the video player. It has all the controls. You can view the video in full screen. So these are suggested videos which will come. And we have this upload section where you can actually upload a video. As you click the upload button, you just need to select whatever video you need to upload. So as you select the video, the upload process will start. And here you just give the title to the video and the description and click on upload. And as soon as you see the video will be uploaded, as you see the video can be played. We also have the controls for liking, disliking the video. So you can like the video and it will show right inside your liked video section. You will see that. So this is your channel screen. So we have this username John 1997. So you can edit your profile as well, such as changing the about section. So this will be saving you all of the time if you're looking forward for building out a YouTube clone. So this is a ready-made solution which is built by me from scratch. You can directly purchase the source code. So after you purchase, you just need to fill out these entries in .env file. So this is JWT secret. I already filled it, and this is inside the backend section. And inside the front end section, here you need to replace your own entries such as the Cloudinary cloud name, API key, and the upload preset. So this you will get from Cloudinary once you sign up for the free account. So it's available right here inside. It basically the cloud name. So you can create a new API key and the preset. So all this information you can configure, and after that your project will run. It's very easy for you to deploy this project as well. So you can just see here, you can create multiple accounts as well. So this is the search feature which is there. So here you can search for any user. You can see that you can subscribe to other users as well. So I've already created this. This is the another user which is there, which has created 3 videos right here. So we are getting this option. You can either subscribe to the channel. As you click the subscribe button, automatically the entries are created in the database, and inside the subscription section you basically see this channel is coming. So as soon as you click the button, you are subscribed to the channel. And if you see now, the subscriber will be increasing because we have subscribed to the channel. So you can see 0 to 1 subscriber. So it's the ultimate solution, guys. You can also log out as well. So as you click the log out button, you are logged out successfully, and again you can log in here. So it's a complete authentication is also there. So it's a full stack YouTube clone kind of application in React.js. So you can play any video. The videos will show in the suggested way. You can see that you can play any video. You can see that you can like, dislike anything. You can even make a comment as well. So let's suppose I just watch this video and I want to make a comment, so I can make a comment here. So you can see that this user has made a comment, and if you refresh the page here, so here you can copy the exact address of this video. So you will see that that comment is successfully there. So you can create multiple users. So it's a full stack YouTube clone. So you can upload videos. You can also get notification once the user uploads a video. So you can click the upload button. So all these videos are stored inside the Cloudinary. So once you click the upload button, everything is stored right here in the assets folder. So it provides you with a free plan. So up to a limit, you can actually store everything. So you can see all these assets are stored right here inside this. So you basically provide a description, title, everything. As you click upload, the video will be uploaded. You'll see that the video is uploaded. So it's an ultimate solution, guys. If you are interested in purchasing it, the link is given in the description. If you still face any issues, I will definitely help you in actually configuring and running this project. It's an ultimate full stack YouTube clone inside React.js. If I show you the package.json file, we are using the React latest version, and we are also using Redux as well for maintaining the state of the application, the data, everything. We are also using Axios as well, as you will see. And for the video player, we are using Video.js, which is an open source library for playing video directly in browser. And inside the backend section, as you will see, we are using SQLite 3 and JSON Web Token for the authentication, .env, CORS, bcrypt, and Express. So it's an ultimate full stack YouTube clone. So it's very easy for you to deploy as well. If you purchase a domain name, if you're looking forward for building a video streaming kind of a website, this is an ultimate solution. It will save you a lot of time here. You will see that the search is also perfectly working, and you can dislike as the video as well. You can comment. So it's really fast as well, because you can create multiple accounts as well. So if you go to again this URL, so first of all, you again can sign up here, create an account here. Click on sign up. Your account will be created, and you can just see this is your profile section. So automatically here you can edit your profile. Just give, you can even change the profile picture as well. Just click the profile picture, and here you can just give it a profile picture. It will automatically get updated. Click on save, and now you can see the profile picture is also saved. So it's very easy, guys. You can see it's, again you can subscribe it. So you have now two subscriptions, so two subscribers are there. So it's ultimately all the functionalities are there which YouTube have. The subscriber functionality, like, comment, you can search functionality, you can upload a video, play the video directly. So it's an ultimate solution. You just need a domain name. You can directly deploy this application if you're looking forward, or if you're applying for a job, if you're looking forward for building this YouTube clone. And most importantly, if you purchase it, you will definitely know how I coded this. All the files, components are divided into its appropriate JavaScript file. So each and every component is customizable. You can add more functionality as well on top of this application. So this is an ultimate React application. All the components are customizable. You'll see this is channel tab, bottom bar, icon, login, navigation bar, video player, search, sign up, subscription, upload video, like video. So these are hooks. These are different pages here. So each and every component is customizable. So this will save you a lot of time, because if you are starting to build from scratch, it will take you a lot of time, but you can save your time by purchasing this. It's an ultimate project. If you still face any problem, I will definitely help you. You will see that. So the link is, guys, is given in the description. You can definitely purchase it.